you another what I wore this week. And yeah, I really hope that you guys have been enjoying this kind of videos. As usual, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell to notify you when I do upload a new video. And also go follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikToks. I've got 2 TikToks, one for comedy and one for fashion and makeup, so kindly go do that. The links are down below. And also let me know your favorite outfit from this week. Yeah, okay, I'll see you. I might do a combination of 2 weeks in one because I don't really dress that well, and I've got to go to work and school and, well, mostly work. So okay, let me show you the outfit for today. So this is the outfit for today. I'm wearing a skirt. I'm loving skirt these days. Long skirt, short skirt. I love them all now. Cute, right? And I got this boots. This is my first ever like high boots. I love it so much. I got this from a thrift store close by, and I think it was like between 4 to 6 pounds. I saw it and I grabbed it. I've been looking for something like this ever since, and I finally got it. And I'm so happy. I hope I see more though, like really cheap ones. Because we are on a budget, but we also want to look cute. Yeah. I love the pink. And I think I'm also like really starting to like the color pink a lot. I mean, I've always liked it, but like now it's like more. But anywho, yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next outfit. I'm gonna go take some pictures because the weather today is actually kind of good, and it's actually sunny outside for once because it's been raining like a lot, and I've only been able to take pictures inside, you know, create content inside. So today I guess it will be different. Okay, I'll see you in my next outfit. Mwah. I still haven't vacuumed. Sue me. Anywho, oh my gosh, everything about this outfit is amazing. This jacket has a history. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this jacket because it was like the first ever jacket that I thrifted, and it just makes me so happy. Baby, it's so cute. I got it from the men's section, so capitalism really popped up today. Okay, and my makeup. I actually found like a way to like really get the highlight, like the nose, like make it look really awesome. And oh my goodness, this look is amazing. I love this look so much. This has to be like one of my favorite looks of all time. Okay, I am going to take so many pictures, and my shirt is like really rumpled, but you can hardly see it because yeah, I don't like, currently I don't have an iron, and I don't have the budget to buy it now. Right now, the money that I have is for food, and I am kind of like a fashion influencer or a beginner fashion influencer on a strict, tight budget. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, that's it. I'm taking too long. Okay, that's it for today. I'm going to school, and then maybe run some personal errands, get foodstuffs and all. Okay, and create content, obviously. Okay, adios. I see you in my next outfit. I'm just so hyper today and also bloated. Okay, adios. Hi guys, what's up? So this is today's outfit. I actually almost forgot to film this, so I remembered when I was already out, and I said that I would film it when I come back. And yeah, this is it. Today was just a casual day. I went out to a newly opened store to model for some body shapers and waist trainers, and also created a YouTube video, makeup tutorial on this look. And yeah. This is it, an all black casual outfit. I really hope that you like it, and I will see you on probably on Sunday. Yeah, or maybe Saturday or Sunday, we'll see. Okay, adios, I love you. Mwah. Hi guys, so today is Sunday and this is what I am wearing. Cool, right? Look at my socks. Where's it? You can't see it. Why can't you see it? Let me show you. Okay. I was supposed to wear a different sock, but I can't find it right now because my socks are always missing. Anyway, so I decided to go with this one that I could find, and yeah, it turned out okay. I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look pretty soon, so stay tuned. Maybe in a different color. And this skirt is thrifted, and this shoe also thrifted. I mean, it's amazing what you find in thrift stores. Like, and it's so cheap, like extremely cheap. Normally I would get this for like 20 pounds, this skirt, but I got it for like 5 pounds. So how cool is that? And I've been looking for a denim skirt for a really long time. Like, I don't know if you've watched my other videos, but there was one time, like, the other denim skirt that I had, it was actually a trouser that I turned into a skirt, and yeah, it was okay, but it wasn't like, you know, perfect like the way I wanted it to. And I'm so glad that I finally have a denim skirt. I really want to have more, so I keep checking like the thrift store from time to time to see if I would see like another denim skirt, because I'm on a budget right now, and if I can see another denim skirt instead of like a 20-pound skirt on, you know, Shine or on Shane, or how do you pronounce it? Shine or Shane, anywho, or AliExpress or something. Maybe I'll just get this one. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, anyway, that's it. I just love this look so much, and I'm going to take some pictures right now, you know, really quick, and then I will be on my way. I'll see you in my next outfit. I love you guys so much. Mwah. So I walked down back home like this. I need to change my shoe to a sneakers because it hurts, and it turns out it's a size too big, and I also need to pee. Okay. Hi guys, what's up? So this is a realistic what I'm wearing today, like what I usually wear when I'm not creating any content or actually going out. I'm just like running some personal errands, you know. I just want to be comfortable today, and I'm wearing my pajamas and a jacket. That's it. Okay, that's it. I gotta go now. Adios. I'll see you in my next outfit. Probably a really cute one. Okay, bye. Hello everyone, so this is today's outfit. I love it so much, so much. I've got this pants. I've had this for like, I think like 2-3 months now, and this is the first time I'm wearing it because I was waiting for like the perfect opportunity. And yeah, today I'm just creating some content, and I did do a tutorial on my brows, so I'm gonna be posting that soon, or maybe I've already posted it, I don't know yet. This is why you should tap on the notification bell to notify you on when I do post a video. Okay, cute, right? And check out my watch. It's a stranger danger alarm, you know. Yeah, I love it. It's cute and stylish. Since I'm going out to create some content, I don't really have a pepper spray because literally all the influencers that I watch on YouTube always tell you to carry along pepper spray. But I don't have that, but I have this instead, and I hear it's extremely loud, so that's a sum for the pepper spray for today. I love this outfit so much. I'm gonna take so many cute pictures, and I'm breaking out of my comfort zone today to take pictures outside, so wish me luck and check out my pictures on Instagram. Okay, I'll see you in my next outfit. Adios. Hey guys, what's up? So today's Sunday and this is what I'm wearing. Everywhere is a mess. Okay, I've got plates on my desk and everywhere is just real messy right now, but I've got to go to church, and I sort of woke up late today and there's no hot water to shower. Like, the water is literally ice cold, so I could not shower. But I gotta go. Okay. This is what I'm wearing today. Okay, I still don't have an iron because I don't have like the budget for it, but I actually like what I'm wearing. It's casual, but I ended up liking it. I literally just picked whatever I saw first and then I just wore it. I just put it together. And yeah, it's cool. It's nice. Okay, hopefully when I get back from church there will be hot water so I can, shower. Okay, I've got to go now. Adios. I see you. So I just realized that that's actually like the end of this video for this week. I'm getting a call. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really hope that you liked it. Please let me know your favorite outfits in the comments below. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias. The links are down below. Yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you real soon. I love you. Mwah.